Hey everybody, hope you are doing good. As we are planning to start the revision series, let's check out what we have to revise. This is the syllabus for the session 24-25. I know you are well familiar with the distribution of the marks. With Python, you can cover 40 marks. 10 marks is allotted to computer networks and 20 marks is for database management. Here are the unit-wise topics. You should be revising all the topics of Python which we have studied in class 11th. Followed by there is important topic, that is functions. In this topic we will get an idea of different types of functions and we will study how to create user defined function. Along with that there are different topics we need to discuss in this. Followed by functions, we will try to handle exceptions. If we proceed further, here are the three types of file we have to study in depth. The different modes available with the file and different operations like read, write and append. For these operations, we will be exploring different methods and the functions. After completing text file, binary file as well as CSV file, one more topic is pending in this unit 1, that is nothing but data structure. There are different data structures like stack, queue, linked list, graph. But here we need to only focus on one data structure, that is nothing but stack. We will perform push and pop operation and we will implement the stack using list. If we are clear with the working of the list, then stack is also easy to understand. Alright, let's talk about the second unit. It's a completely theory portion. Unit 2 is based on the topics of computer networks. We will discuss the evaluation of networking and different data communication technologies. Along with that, we will discuss various types of transmission media. Then we need to get the knowledge of different network devices, network topologies and network types. It also contains network protocols. And the last topic based on the introduction of web services. That was all about unit 2. Total 10 marks you can cover based on these theory topics. Moving ahead to the third unit, that is database management. Here we will discuss about the database concept. We will try to understand one relational data model. Next topic is structured query language. For that we will be using one software, that is MySQL. And finally here is the connectivity of MySQL and Python. With the use of these functions we will try to understand how to manipulate data in the database through Python. It is very interesting and you know it is very helpful also to create project. If we proceed further, here is the distribution of the practical marks. Already your practical exam is done and I trust you have done it well. Alright then, from the next video we will start our revision. So stay tuned and stay healthy. I will see you in the next video.